Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you one of the top ways to hide your sheet without making it found with ease, except to tell people how to find it. This beautiful dashboard wants to actually get protected because we don't want people to actually come to the back end where we have our analysis and change things, right? So we want to actually hide this away from people. So basic hide is just like this. If I right click, you can see I have hide and unhide. If unhide is actually visible to people, they can actually click on it and actually unhide the sheet we've actually hidden. Which is this? This is what we are trying to prevent. We don't want them to actually unhide our sheet with ease. I can actually click at the top level right here to show you how that is done. Go to developer. I'm going to show you how to get developer right here in case you don't have it right now. And actually hit on this Visual Basic right here. We are going to actually use macro, right? But your mind is just like, I don't want to save my file as micro enable. Don't worry, you just have to save this with still the same xlsx, so you don't have to save it as macro enable whatever, so don't worry for that. So right now click on this side of the worksheet available in the workbook right here. So what you need to do right now is choose any of it you want to actually hide. So once you have actually chosen that, just click on this particular visible aspect right here, you hit on this drop down and actually put it on sheet very hidden. Now this is what it is, sheet very hidden. If I close this right now and come back right here and actually see this is my dashboard, is working fine. So right now if I right click from here, I can see this unhide is not visible. It has actually been grayed out, so there is nothing we will do that can actually make us to have this back. We can't really have this back. And if I come right here and actually hide this and come back right here and see, this is gonna actually be very active. So if I click on this, this is the only file right here I can actually unhide. If I click on OK and I still want to actually unhide it or the other one, I can't really do that right now. So what can you do to unhide it? The only thing you can do to unhide it is to go back to the same Visual Basic right here and actually click on that same worksheet. So hit on that and come back to the visible level and actually have it on sheet visible. So once you have it on sheet visible, close it right here, and when you come back you're gonna see that this is what the back end is all about. So exactly, this is how beautiful this could be. In case you don't know how to activate your the developer, so all you need to do is just to actually right click right here. Okay, you're gonna left click though, so actually choose on this customize ribbon. So now here we go, you can actually going to prompt, it's going to prompt you to this very aspect. So just check this, it's going to be under unchecked, it's going to be like this, so you don't find it there. Just click on this and hit OK. So once you do that, what you're going to see is actually you're going to see that you have it right here. So I have a lot of tutorials right here for you guys that you can actually take a look at to master Excel, how to use function to create dashboard without using pivot table. What we've done right here is just a full function without using pivot table. A lot of tutorials that you can actually enjoy. So you might want to actually click on my channel and start availing yourself that opportunity of learning a lot about Excel right here. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate. Keep learning. Subscribe, leave a comment if actually this helped you a lot. So I'm gonna actually come back and do more for you guys again, over and over again. Thank you very much for watching.